The market rewards those who act with clarity. I am the fear. More than 50,000 traders already study my moves through the open Telegram channel. Every day I post free signals, market breakdowns, and the logic behind real trades. Join now. The link is below. Learn the system, not the hype.
Say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls. Find me out here on my own.
EURAUD. The chart shows a strong bullish impulse with the price breaking local highs. Candles with long bodies indicate strong buying pressure, but at the same time, the market is clearly overbought. Candles keeps growing without pullbacks, and the alligator indicator lines are fully spread apart. This kind of setup often leads to a short-term correction. That's why I opened a PUT trade for $50 with a duration of 3 minutes. After such an intense bullish run, I expect a natural pullback, profit taking by larger players. Want to earn with trading but don't want to spend months studying charts and indicators? Here's a simple way to start right now. I created a VIP channel with a live session where I share my exact entry points in real time. Just copy the trades and profit with me. Message me on Telegram to join and get 240 signals per month. Link in the description. Right after entering, the price started to correct. Candles formed a top and moved downward just as expected. The alligator began to tighten, confirming the weakening of the short-term impulse. The trade closed in profit with a payout of $96 and a net gain of $46. A great example of how important it's to catch the moment when the market is overheated and ready to correct. CHF-GPY. The chart shows a clear downtrend. The market consistently updates its lows, and the alligator lines are open and directed downward. After another bearish impulse, a small correction appeared, but the price failed to break the resistance zone where all three alligator lines converge. Since the overall structure remains bearish, I opened a PUT trade for $96 without a duration of 3 minutes, aiming to join the continuation of the trend. The market already showed a false pullback, so the probability of a new drop is high. Want to trade smarter and stay in full control? Meet ZFX, the AI-driven trading robot that tracks every shift across real market, crypto, OTC, and stocks, all in one place. It scans 15 top currency pair, 12 crypto coins, 15 OTC assets, and 15 major company stocks, giving you precise entries with 86% accuracy. No motion, no guesswork, just data and execution. 24/7. Type I want ZFX to see how it works or message me on Telegram. I'll help you set it up. Link in the description. Back to the trade. As expected, the price resumed its downward movement. After a brief pause, candles began forming a new impulse. The alligator reopened downward, confirming the strength of the trend. The trade closed in profit with a payout of $184 and a net profit of $88. A textbook example of a trend-following entry, using a pullback at a safe and precise point to join the move. AUD-USD. The chart shows a strong bearish move. Several long red candles broke through support and pushed the market lower. After that, a long lower wick appeared, the first sign that sellers are losing strength and buyers are stepping in. The alligator lines are still pointing down, but the gray line has started to turn upward, signaling a possible short-term correction. I open a call trade for $184 with a duration of 3 minutes, expecting a local bounce after the deep decline. Want to trade stress-free without guessing? Private traders equals ready-made signals and personal support. Follow me, copy the trades, earn money. That's simple. Message me on Telegram. I'll help you connect. Link in the description. The market followed the plan perfectly. After a brief consolidation, an upward impulse began. The candles confidently closed above the entry level, and the alligator slowly turned upward. The trade closed in profit with a payout of $353, bringing $169 in net profit. A clear example of identifying when a trade is running out of steam and ready for a corrective move. Today's trading session was calm, logical, and consistent. No rush, just deliberate decisions based on technical analysis. Every trade had a clear rationale, and the market confirmed each scenario I anticipated. On EUR AUD, I caught the perfect correction after an overbought impulse. Profit $46. Then CHF GPY delivered a clean trend continuation setup, adding $88. And finally, AUD USD provided a strong upward bounce after an extended drop, beginning in $169. In total, the session closed with $303 in net profit. Once again, proving that consistency in trading comes not from the number of trades, but from the quality of each one. Every trade you saw today followed one system, the same one I share daily in my Telegram channel. More than 50,000 traders already follow it in and grow together. Join us, free signals, fresh insights, and strategies that actually work. The link is below.